So Andrew Warren wants his job back, and he had yet another day in court this afternoon in his ongoing legal fight. The suspended Hillsborough state attorney is suing to be reinstated after he was removed from office by the governor last August. Fox 13's Ariel Placencia joining us now from our newsroom. Hi there, Ariel. I know you listened to that hearing out of Alabama. What happened today? What can you tell us?
Well, both sides took about 30 minutes each to present their cases in court, where no cameras were allowed, unfortunately. It's the latest move in what's been a back-and-forth legal battle since August between Andrew Warren and Governor Ron DeSantis. Warren and his team walking into federal appeals court in Alabama today for the hearing that lasted about an hour, ready to argue why they believe Warren is legally entitled to reinstatement. The governor has accused the twice-elected Hillsborough state attorney of neglect of duty after he signed pledges promising not to prosecute those seeking or providing abortions or gender-affirming cases for minors. But Warren argued that it wasn't a blanket policy, that he never had any cases involving either topic, instead calling his removal a political stunt by the governor. Now, in January, a judge agreed with Warren, ruling there were no signs of misconduct and that the governor violated Warren's First Amendment rights and the Florida Constitution. But the judge also ruled that he lacked the authority to reverse the governor's action. So here's what both sides said in court this afternoon, starting with Warren's attorney, who presented his case first.
We think that it is clear that the obvious explanation here is the right one. The governor didn't like what Mr. Warren was saying, and so he punished him for it, came up with a pretext that he thought would pass muster.
We asserted all along that the governor suspended Mr. Warren for the abortion statement, for his abortion pledge, his pledge not to prosecute abortion crimes, and because of the bike and low-level offense policies. And there is no basis to overturn that finding as clearly erroneous.
Now, nothing was decided in court today, but this political back and forth certainly far from over. Warren has already written a letter to DeSantis asking to be reinstated and also petitioned Florida's Supreme Court in a separate lawsuit. So we'll, of course, keep you posted, Mark.
I'm sure, Ariel. Thanks very much.